One take Tuesday. What's up, guys? Cody from Hitch to Hitch. So, on sun's in my eyes now, but on today's One Take Tuesday, first thing we're gonna do is apologize for being gone for a couple of weeks. We've been a little busy, had a lot of life stuff happen, and all of that, but we're gonna get back to our regular scheduled stuff here soon, hopefully, and I'm gonna start cranking out a bunch more videos so we can kind of get caught up. We're about 9 months behind on videos right now. Today we're gonna talk about water heaters though. So some of you may know we got a new camper, and as you can tell, this is a different color and it's a motorhome, not a fifth wheel. I'm changing it out, but I was checking the anode in the water heater before we cranked it up, and I went ahead and pulled it out. So pull this, let the pressure out, but make sure you turn your water off before you do that. So you turn your water off, you let your pressure out this way, and then you unscrew this. It is a 1.25 inch or 1 1/16 size socket, and you can order an anode rod off of the internet. I ordered it in a pack of 2. They come just like this, which I had used the other one on the fifth wheel. I changed it after about 1.5 years, 2 years of it living in it. But it'll come in a pack, look like this, and it has a little roll of Teflon tape in there with it. So you put the Teflon on your threads and then you screw it back in. But one of the reasons you need to change this is a annual maintenance on your motorhome that you should be doing, or fifth wheel or whatever. And reason being is, let's see if you can see it. See the white stuff around the hole there? It's right there. That's all calcium buildup. So that's something that you don't want in there, and you drain this out and you start letting the calcium come out, which it'll come out looking like chunks of this, and it'll be kind of black as well. Some of it will be, but they sell little hoses that you can use, and you can stick them in there and it'll blow it out, things like that. I just use a garden hose, put it up here and spray it in there real good, and off the straight stream. But reason being is I pulled the old anode out. This is a new one. This is what a new one looks like, so we'll put that right there. And this is the one I just took out of it. That's the old one. The only thing left is the center steel rod that holds the, I guess it's zinc, or I'm not sure exactly what these are made out of, to be honest with you. But this is what everything attacks instead of the inside of your water heater. So if you don't keep these up and keep them changed out, which that one's way gone, but you can let them go for a while. But if you don't keep them changed out, it'll start eating away at your tank, and then you'll end up with a hole in your hot water tank, which is not good and nobody wants. So just a quick thing. If you ever have an issue and you can't get your water heater cranked up, there's a switch right here, and this is off and on. And if this switch is not on, it will not start up. And then you also have 2 resets, which I've never had to use. So couldn't tell you whether they really matter or not, to be honest. So, but anyway, make sure that's on, and then your water heater should work. Now, when you do go to fill this back up, I'm gonna put this in, put a little Teflon on here, stick it back in the hole there, screw it in after I rinse it out, of course, and then you can open this up all the way like that and fill it up. And when water comes out the top here, that means you got all the air out of the tank. So that's one thing to make sure you do when you fill it up, and make sure you fill it back up before you crank it up. So just a couple words of advice there. If you have any other questions, or if you think there's something I missed, leave it down in the comments below. And we'll see you later. Keep bringing your dreams to reality.